Hi guys, this is Nikhil Kukreja. Welcome to FinEducate. FinEducate is a medium through which I'll be sharing my 2 cents regarding the world of finance. So I was confused regarding what should my first topic be about. After going through numerous topics, I decided that I'll go with the god of Indian capital markets, the richest man in Asia, Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani. So Reliance Industries Limited, in its 2019 AGM, Mukesh Ambani shared its vision that Reliance Industries will be debt-free by year 2021 March. It was owing to Jio itself that RIL had accumulated 1.6 lakh crores of debt. In the past 2 months, wherein the entire global economy is at standstill, no bank is even ready to lend a penny to anyone. Mukesh Ambani is bringing thousands of crores of investment in Jio platforms every other week. So the very first investment which Motabhai brought was with Mark Zuckerberg's Facebook. Facebook brought a 9.9% stake in Jio platforms. However, it is worthwhile to note that this is not the first time wherein Facebook has tried to enter Indian markets. In 2014-15 itself, Facebook tried to enter Indian markets. However, they picked the wrong partner among the Ambani brothers. They took the help of Reliance Communications, Anil Ambani. So in 2014-15, Facebook tried to enter India using its free basics platform, owing to which it provided free internet connectivity to the underprivileged class of the world. However, it was later on scrapped by Telecom Regulatory Authority of India owing to net neutrality concerns. So net neutrality क्या है? Net neutrality basically means an equal opportunity for everyone on the internet. However, because of its free basics program, Facebook was given undue advantage to a few websites at the expense of the others. This time, Facebook has bought a 9.99% stake in Jio platforms at an equity valuation of 4,62,000 crore rupees, which translates to an investment of $5.7 billion. That is 43,547 crore rupees. So this deal is expected to give massive advantages to both of the companies, wherein Jio will have access to strong platforms of Facebook, for example WhatsApp, and Facebook will have access to large user base of Jio, that is 370 million users and counting. Joining Facebook, Silver Lake Partners 1% stake in Jio platforms for $750 million. The important thing to note is that this deal values Jio platforms at a 12.5% premium valuation than the earlier Facebook deal, which translates to an investment about 5655.75 crore Indian rupees. Also, General Atlantic Group, pioneered by Charles Feeney of Duty Free Shoppers Group, picked up a 1.34% stake in Jio platforms for $870 million rupees. This deal values Jio platforms at a similar 12.5% premium valuation. After this, Vista Equity Partners picked up a 2.32% stake in Jio platforms for $1.5 billion rupees, which translates to an investment of 11,367 crore rupees. So the latest investment in Jio is by KKR Group. KKR is among the world's largest private equity firms, managing an AUM of $150 billion plus. KKR picked up a stake similar to Vista Partners for 2.32% at a similar valuation. On 5th June, Reliance Industries announced not one but two further investments in Jio platform. The first announcement made was regarding Abu Dhabi's sovereign fund of Mubadala. Mubadala picked up a 1.85% stake in Jio for 9093.6 crore rupees. Remember Silver Lake Partners who picked up some stake in Jio? They again called Mukesh Ambani and they said, Mota bhai, ye dil mange more. They picked up a further stake for rupees 4546.8 crore rupees, bringing their total investment in Jio to 2.08%. It looks like हमारे मोटा भाई ने सलमान भाई का डायलॉग एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता तो काफ़ी सीरियसली ले लिया है. So you must be wondering, why are all these marquee investors lined up one after another to pick up stakes in Jio? The reason being, India is one of the fastest growing digital economies in the world, coupled with the strong leadership of Motabhai and the fact that Jio provides a whole suite of services under one roof, which serves not only retailers like you and I, but also various local businesses. Reliance Industries also brought a rights issue for 53,125 crore rupees. So it is sufficient to say that Mukesh Ambani will fulfill his dream of Reliance Industries becoming net debt free much before than 31st March 2021. Apart from this, Aramco is also in talks to pick up a stake in Reliance's refinery business, and there is also rumor that Microsoft is eyeing a stake in Jio platform. Jio completed its third reporting year on 31st March 2020, which qualifies it to be listed as a separate entity. There is a chatter among the market that Mukesh Ambani is eyeing to list Jio platforms at the US stock exchange of Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a home to some of the most top global technology companies, for example, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Netflix. I hope this small video was insightful. This is Nikhil Kukreja signing off from FinEducate. Thank you.